Creating an HTML file begins with naming it index.html and utilizing a code editor. It's essential to access the file in both a browser and a code editor to facilitate real-time editing.
HTML employs tags to format web page content.
For instance, the B tag makes text bold, highlighting how HTML constructs the visual presentation of web content. The document structure comprises the doctype declaration and main HTML tags, defining the document type while housing the head and body sections for effective content organization. Meta tags in HTML, which include character set and viewport settings, are imperative for ensuring proper display and responsiveness across various devices, serving as a cornerstone for modern web design. Header tags, H1 to H6, play a pivotal role in organizing content and establishing a hierarchy on a web page. This structure aids users and search engines in navigating the content effectively. The paragraph, P tag, serves to separate blocks of text, enhancing readability. In addition, line breaks, BR, allow for creating spacing without adding the margin typically associated with paragraphs. In HTML, line breaks are introduced using the BR tag, which does not require a closing tag. For increased spacing between content, multiple BR tags can be employed. Style tags such as strong, M, and B modify text appearance. However, contemporary web design prefers CSS for styling, moving away from these older HTML tags. The tag is essential for creating hyperlinks, necessitating an ref attribute for the URL. Additionally, the target attribute manages whether links open in the same or a new browser tab. Placeholder websites enable the generation of images in various sizes, proving useful for web design and testing layouts effectively. Grasping how to create ordered and unordered lists in HTML is vital for organizing content efficiently. This entails employing specific tags for list creation. Properly nesting HTML elements is critical for maintaining clear and comprehensible code. Indentation serves to differentiate parent and child elements, thus improving readability. Utilizing tables in HTML facilitates the orderly organization of data into rows and columns, akin to traditional spreadsheet programs like Excel, thereby enhancing data clarity. Incorporating styles such as borders, cell padding, and spacing can greatly elevate the appearance of HTML tables, rendering them visually appealing and easier to read. Employing attributes like colspan and rowspan enables the creation of complex table layouts, allowing cells to span multiple columns or rows, thus optimizing data organization.